Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to figure out ex-dividend dates using the Robinhood app. If you invest in dividend-paying stocks, knowing the ex-dividend date is very important. The ex-dividend date is the deadline for buying a stock if you want to receive the upcoming dividend payment. If you purchase the stock on or after the ex-dividend date, you generally won't receive that dividend. Robinhood makes it easy to view dividend information directly from a stock's details page. Now let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Tap on the search icon. Now search for the dividend-paying stock you want to research. Tap on the stock to open its details page. Scroll down until you find the dividends section. Here you'll see information about the company's dividend history if it pays dividends. Tap on the dividends section to view more details. Here you can check important information such as the upcoming dividend amount, dividend yield payment frequency, and dividend history. If an upcoming dividend has been announced, Robinhood may also display the ex-dividend date and the payment date. Review the ex-dividend date carefully. To qualify for the upcoming dividend, you generally need to own the stock before the ex-dividend date. You can also review previous dividend payments to see how consistently the company has paid dividends over time. If you don't see an upcoming ex-dividend date, the company may not have announced its next dividend yet. You can add the stock to your watch list and check back later for updates. Before investing, consider reviewing the company's financial information, earnings reports, and recent news alongside its dividend history. Remember that dividend payments are never guaranteed and may be increased, reduced, or suspended by the company at any time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.